What's good? So I just picked up some food and I'm gonna try something hella spicy. I feel so weird because my man's looking at me while I'm recording. Yeah, but he's too shy to be on the camera, so whatever. Okay, so let's check out what we got. Okay. I'm a little scared. So this is what she looked like. A little messy. So we have the bun, tomato. It doesn't smell spicy. It smells like ranch. But there's the ranch, lettuce. Underneath is the ghost pepper, onions, whatever, cheese. Little spicy patty. Okay. See how it is. I have a high spice tolerance. It's not crazy.
Not spicy? You like it spicy?
Super spicy. I love it super spicy. This is like... This is like a 5. Okay, wait, hold on. When it hits the throat, a little... it's like a little, like... takes the wind a little bit out of you. And your lips are like spiced. Like when you bite a jalapeno. My man's saying it's gonna build up. If it builds, let it build. That's why we got a Frosty. This is a really good spice though. I don't need the Frosty. It's not that spicy for me. But it's a must. You have to try it at least.
It's not that spicy.
I don't even need the Frosty. I just wanted to get it. It's the strawberry one. So, lucky me. Lucky my baby. She loves spicy food. I dare you to try a bite. You would never. I'm gonna start ordering this more. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, that's all we have for the review. I give this an 8 out of 10. For spice, I give it like a 5 out of 10. It's not that spicy. Okay, so I finished my whole burger. That ghost pepper and... Huh, baby? But I said it was 5 out of 10, the spice level. That's me personally, but let's keep it real. If you're not used to just biting off a chili pepper, serrano, jalapeno, just like that, I tell you that it's probably like a 6.5, maybe even a 7. You know, just to keep it real with y'all. if you want to try it, try it at your own risk, because it does get a little spicy for me. So then I'm sure it'll get hella spicy for some of y'all, just so that I don't put anyone at risk, because we're family. Oh, baby. Yeah, she loves you. So yeah, that ghost pepper chicken sandwich was the bomb. Woo woo. Okay, bye. Gotta go watch my Basketball Wives LA.
Picture on my mirror, start to blush. Somebody says your name. In my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go to you. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand on my knees, go weak.